What's up? What it do? What's good with you? It is Dark Beauty 925 coming to you live, and today I have a very exciting video for you guys. So today I'm a little bit more close than I usually am, I think. And that is because I'm going to be doing an eyeshadow look. Now this is my first time doing any type of anything with eyeshadow because I am not good with eyeshadow at all. But this is kind of like in dedication to my best friend. As a little backstory, I have a best friend named Carmen, and she moved to Texas, and I just really miss her a lot, and I know she missed me a lot. So yeah, earlier this week she knows I'm interested in like makeup and stuff. She watches my YouTube videos. So earlier this week she had got me a Morphe palette, and I am so happy. Like, I love this palette so much. I'm gonna open it up for you guys in a second. So yeah, she knows I'm like interested in makeup, and I didn't really like, I have eyeshadow palettes, but I don't really have eyeshadow palettes that you really like hear about. Like, I just pick up a couple here and there. Like, I have a LA Colors one that came from Dollar General, and then I have Academy of Colors one that came from Kohl's. So it's not like palettes that people really mention, but like a Morphe palette, people like always talk about that. So yeah, she knew I was trying to like up my eyeshadow game, so she got me one. And she actually had got one herself, and I was like raving over how much I liked hers, so she got me one herself, and I just love her so much. So I just opened it, and I'm going to show you guys. This plastic film keeps coming off, but it's just the name of the different colors. But those are the colors, and she knows, well, I don't know if she knows this, but I am in love with like natural kind of colors like these. This is literally a palette full of colors that I wear every day. So I don't know, this just looks so cute and so professional. And I put some on today and last night. So I know like it's a really good blendable and pigmented palette. Just to get into the video, basically the videos for today is the makeup look inspired by my best friend, and I named this makeup look C-Murda because that's just like her nickname. And yeah, I'm just going to tell you or show you what out of the Morphe palette how to make this C-Murda look. So today, in honor and thanks of her buying me this palette, I was going to create a makeup look that was named after her. So this makeup look is called C-Murda or C-Murda because that's her nickname. And yeah, I'm just going to show you guys that look and also dedicate this video to her. Okay, so I just took my makeup off, the old makeup that I have on, so I have a fresh, clean face. And yeah, we're just going to start off by putting this Profusion eyeshadow primer on, and then we're going to get right into the video. This is low-key kind of so awkward because I don't know what I'm doing. I never did this junk before, but yeah, I'm about to go through with putting this Profusion eyeshadow primer on. Okay, so I got my eyeshadow on. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take my palette, and I'm going to use the color Thief, and that is this color right here. It's the fourth one at the bottom. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that color and kind of put it in like a C. So I'm gonna put like a C on my outer corner, and I will be right back. And then I'll kind of bring it in as well. So you guys will see what I do. So that is all that I did. So basically, as you can see, I just kind of put it in like a little C, like a little, or like a boomerang shape, and then I kind of brought it in and went up a little bit just so I can kind of have like a wing kind of look. So I just went up like this, and that is the color Thief. So The next color that I am going to use is, let me put this back on there as my cheat sheet. The next color that I am going to use is the color Sparkle, which is the third color in the third row. So I'm going to use that next. Gotta wipe off my brush. Basically what I did with this color is I kind of just took my brush and like dabbed it down the middle, because this is the color that I really want to like pop, besides the color that I want to put in my inner corner tees. If y'all watch my concert Get Ready Miss video, y'all know what that is. But yeah, so basically I just take a glitterish or goldish looking color, and then I just drag that down, you know, just drag it down as a middle color, and then I blend it in, because once you do that V, so let's just say you have a C or a V or whatever, and then like after you blend that space out, you gotta fill out the little part that's inside. So that's why it extends right there, just kind of blends out from that inner area, and it just kind of creates a cool look. So the next color that I'm going to go in with is like a lighter kind of shimmer, and it will be in the third row in the second color. So third row, second color in the Morphe 25B palette, and that is going to be my inner corner tees. And if you look at my concert Get Ready With Me video, you will know what that is. This is basically the completed look. I didn't put any eyeliner or mascara on, only because I really wanted the main focus to be this eyeshadow. So yeah, basically what I did is I just put a lighter color than the rest of the colors in my inner crease, just because I just like to have my inner crease kind of pop, because it kind of sets off the whole look. And then I dragged it and blended it into the other colors, mostly more so in the top, blending it with this purple color more so than dragging it all the way over here. So that is the completed look. I'll come a little closer so that you all can see. Yes, this is the look that I created in honor of my best friend. I hope that you guys liked it. This isn't really a tutorial, it's more of like a makeup look, so sorry if I didn't explain it well, but I did try my best. Also, I'm not that good with doing eyeshadow videos, but I most definitely hope that you enjoyed this video. Carmen, you especially, I hope that you enjoyed this video. In the last 20 seconds of this video, my picture will pop up, and that is a direct way for you to subscribe. So make sure you check out one of my other videos, which will be in the box in the right corner, my right corner. It is Dark Beauty 925 signing out of this live. Bye.